Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have my Amazon. Ugh. Sorry about that. So I have my Amazon haul. I ordered a different type of the containers. These are more square at the end. So I'm gonna be switching a lot of things around that I have. And I'm gonna use these as labels so I can label it at the top and on the sides so I can see what it is. So I got these ones for my beads because I noticed that there is actually a size difference between my other containers that I have and these. So these are all individually wrapped too. These were a dollar cheaper than the other ones that I've been buying, so I'm gonna be switching a lot of stuff around. Some of my nail stuff I have in these type of containers, which I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna switch all of them around. So I need to go get that stuff done. And I'm waiting for 2 more things from Amazon. It's like the Sanrio Hello Kitty nail charm sets. So I can't wait to get those in. I'll show them once they're here. So the last 2 things I was waiting for just came in. This is the barcode, and what it is 70 pieces. And it just looks like that. And this is the other one. And then these are the characters compared to my finger. They're really tiny. So I decided to do a comparison. So these are the ones off of another site I got, and these are the other ones. There is a color difference for the top. There is a size difference for these 2. There's a slight color difference for these 2. There's a color difference for these 2. There is a slight size difference for these 2. There is a slight color difference, not that much. There is a definitely big size difference for these 2. So this is an overview of all the Sanrio. I did add some. I combined all of this one, and then I combined this one, and then I added the rabbits to the Disney one because these 2 characters are very popular in Asia. They are Disney. And then I added the bears to this other set of Amazon stuff that I got. So that is officially it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.